Today, I want to talk about something that affects all of us at some point: procrastination. Yeah, I know that word might sound big and complicated, but trust me, it's something we can all understand and overcome together. Picture this: you have a big assignment due in a week. You tell yourself, I have plenty of time, I will start tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, and guess what? You find other things to do: watch a movie, chat with friends, play a game. Suddenly, it's the night before the deadline, and you're rushing to finish everything. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? So why do we procrastinate? It's like a sneaky monster that creeps into our minds and tricks us into thinking we have all the time in the world. But here's the truth: time flies faster than we think. The time you have today won't wait for you tomorrow. It's precious, and once it's gone, you can't get it back. Now, here's the good news: you have the power to defeat this procrastination monster. You're stronger than you realize, and it's all about taking small steps to change your habits. Step 1: break it down. When you face a big task, it can be overwhelming. So, break it into smaller pieces. Instead of thinking, I have to write a whole essay, think, I'll write the introduction today. Step 2: set a timer. This one's simple. Set a timer for a short period, say 25 minutes. Work on your task without any distractions during those 25 minutes. When the timer rings, take a short break. Then do another 25 minutes. It's like a game against time, and you can win. Step 3: reward yourself. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Finish a section of your project. Treat yourself to a snack or a quick walk outside. These rewards will keep you motivated. Step 4: plan ahead. Use a planner or your phone to schedule your tasks. When you know what's coming, you'll be less likely to put things off. Step 5: visualize success. Imagine the feeling of completing your work ahead of time. Picture yourself relaxed, stress-free, and proud of what you've achieved. Remember, every time you beat procrastination, you're taking a step towards becoming the best version of yourself. You're showing discipline, determination, and a commitment to your goals. Think about your dreams, the things you really want to achieve. Those dreams are worth fighting for, and they are not going to wait around for you to stop procrastinating. So, my friends, let's face procrastination head on. Let's turn those "I'll do it later" into "I'm doing it now." Believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and know that each small effort adds up to something big. The time to act is now. Let's conquer procrastination together. Thank you.